Everybody. We are going to review some religion from this week, and then we're going to take our religion quiz together. So, this week in religion, we have been talking about God and the things God can do and God's creation. So, chapter 3, there's a picture of God that an artist made. We don't know what he looks like, we've never seen him. God is everywhere, not just in heaven. You cannot see God, but He looks after you all the time, everywhere you are. God is all powerful. He can do anything. No one is stronger than God, and God knows everything. He knows what every fish and bug and bird and even you are doing right now. He knows what you are doing and even what you are thinking. God created all things, every single thing. To create is to make something out of nothing. Once there was only God, there was no light, no outer space, no earth, no water, nothing but God. Then God said, "Let there be light, let there be sky, let there be land and water." And there it was, poof, just like that, just the way God said. God created angels too. Angels are like God in one way because they do not have bodies. They are invisible spirits. All the angels were very good when God created them. Then some of the angels turned away from God. That means they chose to become bad, and they became devils. And the good angels stayed with God to be his helpers. God is all good. Everything about God is good. He takes care of all that he has made. He takes care of the stars and the planets. He takes care of the animals and the trees, and above all, God takes care of you and loves you very much. That is from our religion book this week, and I promised Jose that I would do my creation bag one more time. And so here is the story of creation. In the beginning, there was nothing. God created the sky and the earth. The earth was empty and had no form. Darkness covered the ocean, and God's Spirit was moving over the water. And then God said, "Let there be light." Look at this. Here's the light. And God saw the light and saw that it was good. So he divided the light from the darkness. God named the light day, and the darkness night. Evening passed, and the morning came. This was the first day. Then God said, "Let there be something to divide the water in two." So God made the air to divide the water in two. Some of the water was above the air, and some of the water was below it. God named the air sky. Evening passed, and morning came, and this was the second day. And then God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered together, so that dry land will appear." God named the dry land earth. He named the water that was gathered together seas. God saw that this was good. Then God said, "Let the earth produce plants." Here are the plants. Some plants will make grain for seeds. Others will make fruit with seeds in it. Every seed will produce more of its own kind of plant. Evening passed and morning came, and this was the third day. Then God said, "Let there be lights in the sky to separate day from night. These lights will be used for signs, seasons, days, and years. They will be in the sky to give light to the earth." And it happened. So God made two large lights. He made the brighter light to rule the day. He made the smaller light to rule the night. He also made the stars. And God put these in the sky to shine over the day and over the night. He put them there to separate the light from the darkness. And God saw that all these things were good. Evening passed and morning came, and this was the fourth day. Then God said, "Let the water be filled with all living things, and let the birds fly in the air above the earth." Evening passed and morning came, and this was the fifth day. Then God said, "Let the earth be filled with animals, and let each produce more of its own kind. Let there be tame animals and small crawling animals and wild animals." And God saw that this was good. Sorry. And what comes next on the sixth day? Then God said, "Let us make human beings in our image and likeness. Let them rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky. Let them rule over the tame animals all over the earth and over all the small crawling animals on the earth." So God created human beings in his image. In the image of God, he created them. He created them male, that's boy, and female, that's girl. God blessed them and said, "Have many children and grow in number. Fill the earth and be its master. Rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky. Rule over every living thing that moves on earth." So the sky and the earth and all that finished them were finished, or all that filled them were finished. By the seventh day, God finished the work he had been doing. So on the seventh day, he rested from all his work. God blessed the seventh day and made it a holy day. He made it holy because on that day he rested, and he rested from all the work he had done in creating the world. Now you need to do your religion quiz. And here we have made all God knows good. And we're going to fill in the blanks. Blank is everywhere. Which word? Made all God knows and good. Write the word on the line. Blank everything. Made all God knows good. Now, more than one word might fit on that line, but only one of them starts with KN. God is blank powerful. Made all good knows. God knows good. I have to read these backwards when I'm recording. God is all what? Made all God knows or good. God blank everything. Do your best. I'm going to grade this for your religion grade. I can't wait to see how well you did. On the back, I want you to draw a picture of God's creation and draw 3 things that God made. This is part of your grade, so I need to be able to tell what your picture is, not scribbles. Nice, neat artwork, and if you write the words, that's a bonus. Good job. I can't wait to see. Bye.